2002 Volkswagen Eurovan Westfalia Weekender for sale in Winnepeg, Manitoba, Canada R2C2R9 315,000 kilometers. Motivated to sell? Get ready for your next adventure with this 2002 Volkswagen Eurovan Westfalia Weekender. This luxury class BRV is 24 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its like-new condition. This 2002 Volkswagen Eurovan Westfalia Weekender is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make the spacious Class BRV your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Seat 7 V6 automatic air conditioning, small fold-up TableElectric CoolerDouble sleeper pop TopQueen BedFull MB SafetyRear screening tires at 50% and so much more. This 2002 Volkswagen Eurovan Westfalia Weekender is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. There is some minor rust on the exterior, but don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This Class BRV is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Volkswagen Eurovan Westfalia Weekender can be yours.